Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to reduce or increase app size in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to the home screen and see here. This is the default app size for each app. Okay, if you would like to reduce app size, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first, and then here select display, then select home screen layout and select other option 5x6. Okay, and click on save and go to the home screen and see here app size has been reduced. Okay, suppose if you want to increase app size, again go to the same settings, then display, then click on home screen layout and choose other option. Okay, so you got to choose right side of the default. Okay, this is default 4x6. If you go to the right side of this 4x6, app size will be increased. Okay, see the preview here. Okay, this is default and this is see here, here you can change. Here you can see clearly it is increased. Okay, app size is increased. Okay, click on save and see the changes. App size is increased. Okay, if you want to keep in the default app size, as you can do it, again go to the same settings and then go to display, then go to home screen layout and choose 4x6 and click on save, and this is default app size. Okay, in this way you can either reduce app size or increase app size in your phone Moto G04 using this trick. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.